Metabolism. Let me explain. Metabolism can be a touchy and often confusing subject, so let me make it simple for you. To put it simply, metabolism is the process of turning the food you eat into energy, muscle, and fat. But not everyone's metabolism is the same. You see, some people's metabolisms are very fast. We call these people ectomorphs. Some people have very slow metabolisms. We call these people endomorphs. Oh yeah, and there's people somewhere in the middle called mesomorphs. But why is this important? One of the biggest factors that determines your metabolism is called your body type. Remember those weird names I just mentioned? Yeah, those are body types. If you'd like to learn more about them, I have a video talking all about them, but I'll spare you the details. To summarize, your body type is just a name to describe the speed of your natural metabolism. For example, an ectomorph could eat 1,000 McNuggets and lose 5 pounds an hour later. Meanwhile, endomorphs will seemingly just think about food and find themselves gaining 5 pounds. With that being said, it's pretty easy to get frustrated with your metabolism when it always seems to do the opposite of what you want it to. So then, what can you do? Well, your body type at its core is purely genetic. Or is it? While it's true that you can't completely swap body types, you actually can alter it. Sort of. You see, your metabolism is just an idea of how quickly your body burns through the fuel inside your body. This can be food, fat, and even muscle. But what if you're unhappy with your metabolism? Well, that's where I can help you. If you're trying to lose weight, you can try things like cold showers, intense exercise, and even just getting bigger. You see, cold showers, doing cardio, these things will just speed up your metabolism temporarily. But gaining muscle, fat, and just general size actually causes your body to compensate for that weight gain by making your metabolism faster. Now, I'm not saying go eat 10 double Big Macs with a side of diabetes to lose weight. Instead, consider getting into weightlifting and gradually building muscle. This will help you lose weight by forcing your body to use the fat that you have as a fuel source to build leaner, healthier tissue. Muscle. If you're trying to gain weight, I'd suggest eating fattier foods and increasing protein consumption.
Add some protein.
Who knows? Eating 10 double Big Macs might be the way to go for you. For legal reasons, I do not advise anyone to eat 10 double Big Macs. I'm just saying calories are calories for us ectomorphs. Since fats and proteins are the slowest digesting macros, nutrients in your food, it's likely that by the time you reach for your next meal, your body will still have some food left in it. This way, you'll always have a few extra calories in the tank, meaning you'll have to eat less to pass that weight gain threshold, also known as your BMR. But you should know your metabolism isn't everything. There are all sorts of other factors and strategies that all play a huge part in reaching your fitness goals, not to mention get in the way of those goals. So if you'd like to learn more about your body type and how to make progress even faster, I have a video going more in depth on that exact topic. And don't worry, it's simple.